Hi, this is Fizi Broad Free channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable motion capture on your camera phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Motion capture is often used in the film and video gaming industries to capture actors' movement and translate them into computer-generated characters that appear on screen. On Xiaomi phone, we have feature motion capture. So when we capture movement object, the blurry will be reduced when you enable the motion capture. And what if you want to disable this feature, maybe for some reason? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our camera. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. There is an option settings, you can just tap on that. And you'll find there is an option motion capture. You can just disable this feature by tap on the toggle on here. So now your motion capture on your camera is turned off. It's so simple, right? So that is how to disable motion capture on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!